magandang update. Parang sinakyan talaga ni Tatay Digong lang talaga lahat ito. At saka minsan, di natin maintindihan eh. Hindi tayo nag-aral ng batas eh. Pero si Tatay Digong ay talagang marama talaga to sa Bisaya pa. Marunong. Ha? Tingnan nyo. Article 59 of the Rome Statute grants the person arrested the right to apply to the competent authority in the custodial state for interim release pending and surrender, ensuring that their rights are respected during the proceeding. Ito yung breakdown. Basahin natin. Once a person has been arrested by the custodial state based on an ICC warrant, they have the right to request their temporary release until their surrender to the ICC is finalized. Ito si competent authority. This application for the interim release is made to the judicial authorities of the state where the person is arrested. Klaro yan Respect for the rights. The Rome Statute emphasizes that the right of the arrested person must be respected throughout the arrest and surrender process. Patay kayo ngayon. Sinakyan lang kayo ni Tatay Digos ka ignorante ninyo. Ito sabi Interpol Interpol cannot compel to the law enforcement authority in the country to arrest someone who is subject of a red notice. May notice ba? Red notice, Tatay? Parang wala yata eh. Each member country decides what legal values is given to the red notice and the authority of their law enforcement officer to make the arrest. Hala, patay tayo. Ang daming violation dito. Kaya si Tatay Digong sa aeroplano, sa Binisaya pa, naghinambid. Gahigda-higda, nagpabugnaw dito. Kita diri sa Pilipinas, tayo dito sa bansa, natataranta tayo. Syempre, wala tayong kalam-alam eh. O, tingnan natin. ngayon, in short, yung ginagawa nila, talaga lahat ay illegal. So, ito na yung konklusyon na talaga natin. Illegal talaga yon. And mind you, pag illegal yung ginagawa mo, may counter yan. Pag kinounter na yan, pagbalik ni Tatay Digong, paano to? Kamot ulo tayo lahat dito. Kayong nag-i-implement ng illegal, just make sure you have also your counter. Sinasabi lang namin ito sa iyo ngayon, Tore, at sa mga amo mo, you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared in the coming days kasi nga, parang pumasok kayo sa patibong na hindi nyo alam ang pupuntahan ninyo. Ngayon, si Tatay Digong, yung international nagsabi nito na wala silang jurisdiction over this case of Tatay Digong. Illegal ang pinagagawa ninyo. Illegal na illegal. Kaya patay kayo ngayon. Maganda ka na, Tori. Gumawa ka na ng Tori mo at doon ka tumalon sa Tori mo. Tori kang dako.